bookkeeping makes for great business, and it's one of the most essential business roles that must be taken care of if you want to stay in business. So how come we hear so many stories about business owners getting into trouble with their bookkeeping, their bookkeepers and their books? There are all sorts of bookkeeping problems, and you can probably relate to some of them. Invoices not sent out on time, work done and not billed, superannuation, PAYG tax mistakes, fines for late BAS lodgement, GST errors, mistakes for payroll, and the list goes on, and every time there is a mistake, you pay. One of the never-ending and most difficult problems facing business owners today is collecting money for work already done. It's called the cash flow squeeze. So let me tell you a story about John and see if you can see yourself in this story. John is a plumber and has a small business, turnover of $15,000 a month. He gives his clients 30 days to pay, and then he waits to be paid. John's a reliable and professional plumber, and he does great work, so his clients should happily pay him on time. Well, not quite. Sometimes John gets around to calling them up and chasing the money, but mostly he's too busy. And besides that, he hates calling people for money, so he avoids it and waits. After 60 to 90 days, his wife is cranky and his kids are getting very skinny, so he finally gets on the phone and calls the money in, and still he has to wait another week or two. If John could just get the money in at 30 days, he would have an extra $20,000 to $30,000 in his bank right now. Then at BAS time, he can easily pay his GST, PAYG tax and super instead of running around like a headless chook, stressing and chasing money. If this sounds bad, then just wait. It actually gets much worse than this. John doesn't count the cost of his time and emotional energy, taken up with feeling ripped off by his clients and being angry and upset that they haven't paid him. And because his books are not up to date and the money is not in the bank, John has no idea if he's even making a profit. So when it comes to holidays with his wife and kids, or a home loan, or a new ute, John has got no chance. Now, not everyone runs their business like our plumber John, but we all have to keep an eye on our bookkeeping and do it in a professional manner or pay the price. So let me introduce myself. I'm Conchetta Sultan, and this is my wonderful team of professional bookkeepers at Admin Express. Quite simply, we're professionals in our field, and we've been doing this a long time. We are honest, accountable and 100% reliable. It's our job to make running your business easier for you. It's sometimes hard to tell if your accounts person is actually doing a good job. Well, at least until things just don't add up. Your accountant's bills get bigger, deadlines are missed. No more headaches or fines. Instead, we keep up to date with all your current tax and legislation changes so that you don't have to. Our bookkeeping reduces accounting fees and saves you lots of money because we're efficient and your accountant doesn't have to redo your books or fix mistakes. No more stress or worry. We deliver top quality work and are always on time. We do it all: bookkeeping, troubleshooting, systems, banking, filing, payroll, GST, BAS, profit and loss reports, balance sheets, cash flows, budgets, management reports, and much, much more. Just in case you're embarrassed or worried about the state of your books, let me say this: getting you back on track is our job and we're the experts. Delaying or putting up with your current situation will only cost you more money in the end. Professional bookkeeping is one of the best business investments you can make in your business. So give me a call right now to find out how my team and I at Admin Express can help you. Phone 9240 7276 or go to our website adminexpress.com.au.